Hello and welcome. This tutorial will show you how to create a wallet. When you start the application the first time, you will be greeted by the Create Wallet screens. You have to agree, read, and again, keep your keys safe. I got it. You have to create a password for your Virtual, or restore config would be here if you previously had a saved config. Confirm your password, and we're going to create a new account. Obviously, if you had a previous account and no setting backed up, you could restore it from here. Or if you have an US account, you would do this here. But let's create a new account. You have two scenarios possible here. Save the private key or write the private key down. We'll save the private key for now. Let's give a name. VTX. Let's give a password. It should be different from the wallet password. Confirm your password. Click next. Now you want, the password is kind of created. Now you want to add it to your wallet and you need permission to do that. Re-enter your Virtual password. That's it. A key was created. You could see it here, and the wallet as well. And so your private key is in here. It is not in the wallet at the moment. Let's say you want to create another wallet. You would do it from here. Let's do that. Again, we're going to create a ledger, and we're going to write the keys down this time. There it is. You could copy it or really write it down. We're done. Okay. Name our wallet. Enter the Virtual password. That's it. Our new wallets are created. We have two of them right here. That's it.